Hi everybody. So today we have to learn about a new topic as a monohybrid grass. So this topic comes under as a genetics and evolution theory paper. So in this topic as a genetics was introduced by the great scientist Gregor Johann Mendel. So Mendel used true breeding lines of these plants which are in breed populations of plants or animals in which all parents and their offspring. So it over many generations. So you have to observe as the same phenotypes with respect to the particular trait. So true breeding is nothing but that is a lines. It is very useful because they are typically assumed to be homozygous for the alleles that affect the trait of interest. So when two individuals that are homozygous, so and few of them comes under a same allele is nothing but that is the same homologous chromosomes are crossed and finally have to got as the same chromosomes. So that condition is known as a homozygous. The continuation of such crosses as a constitute it's known as a true breeding line or strain. As a breeding experiment, whenever you have do as a breeding experiments as a dealing with a single character is called a monohybrid cross. So best example that is a height of a plant, seed color in P, then coat color, then kinea peak, etc. So these are the example for monohybrid cross. So here we explain as a Mendel's famous experiments about the height of the plants. So in this experiment we have to discuss many about as a gene. So most of the gene act as a allelic character. So allele means nothing but that is a changing the character, changing the particular character present in a plant. So that is known as alleles. So in other words, a monohybrid cross is a genetic cross designed to study the inheritance of a single trait or gene. So it is both the earliest and the most common form of genetic analysis. So in Punnett square, so Punnett square means that is a square shaped box. So in this box as Mendel's explained what are the characters he was observed and finally put a square box. So that is known as Punnett square. So it is a matrix in which all of the possible gametes produced by the one parent are listed. So along with one axis and maybe gametes from the other plant are listed along with another axis. So this is the basic or fundamentals of Punnett square box. So each possible combination of gametes is listed at the inserter or insertion of each row and column. As a Punnett square can also be used to calculate the frequency of types of offspring that are expected. So this is the image. So you have to show the what type of monohybrid cross as a Mendel chosen. So first one that is a tall plant. Here you have to mention as a capital T, capital T. Dwarf means that is a very small plant, that is a Mendel chosen two symbols, one is capital T, another one small t. Tall capital T and dwarf that is a small t. So these are the parental characters. So next finally have to got as a F1 generation, that is a tall. So all the plants you have to observe as a tall characters. So here you have to see as a capital T small t, that is a tall plant, capital T small t again tall plant, capital T small t is again as a tall plant. So fourth gene also has a same gene. So this is the Punnett checkerboard or Punnett square box. So here first you have to chosen as a parent characters, that is a tall and a dwarf. In first generation you have to got as a gametes, that is a F1 generation gametes. So all the gametes are tall characters. So next so you have to wait for further generation, that is a F2. So in that generation also we have to got as a tall characters. So only one character is as a dwarf one. So finally how to got as a F1 phenotypic and genotypic character is tall, dwarf. That is 3:1 ratio. 3 gametes are comes under as a tall, one character is comes under as a dwarf one. So these are the characters chosen by as a Mendel's in pea plants. Pea nothing but that is a normally used monocot plant. So here you have to use as a seed color, that is a green round or a wrinkled. So sometimes we can use as a seed character also. So next, size and shape of the bees plant, then as a Mendel chosen as a flower also. So based on the color, that is a purple and white, so that is also used by Mendel's experiment. Thank you for watching this video. So about as a monohybrid grass, so it comes to the theory paper as a genetics and evolution. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.